Hey, it's Dougie Wood, and in this video, I'm going to show you two ways that you can filter the data in a range or a table. So if it's a range, we can select a cell within that range, and all we need to do is click on Data and then onto the Filter button. Once we select that, we need to select the arrow at the top, and this is where we could do things like selecting text filters or number filters. We could even do things like choosing a comparison like a between. So we could say, is the value greater than or equal to? So we can enter the values, then click on OK, and then we filter this to find those values. Now, if your data is in a table already, fantastic. The filter arrow is already there for you at the top. And you can do the exact same thing. Click on the arrow, select the arrow, uncheck, for example, select all, and then you could select for example, in this case, other people, then click on OK, and this will then apply that filter to your table that you've already made. So that's it. It's fantastic. I hope you found that video useful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and also check out the video which is on the page for more Microsoft Excel tips.